Hello. No, she's going to work.
When did she leave?
Huh?
How did she leave?
With somebody.
And where the keys are?
Probably in my purse.
Probably in your purse. Where's your purse?
In my bedroom.
In your bedroom. Now, you know, when you look at a camera, you are supposed to be looking to that room right there. Not the light, not the face, not at him, not at him, not the sky. No. Alright, well anyway, I don't have a camera to continue on.
Hi, Eric.
Come on.
Hi, Eric.
How you doing, Monica?
You got a lot of...
I don't think she'll beat it yet. There's some wondering things in this bowl because you never know.
Open up. Open up.
And it's old corn, what do you expect? You think the kids are going to eat that? I doubt it. Thanks for joining us here tonight as this nice family fun evening. And make sure you tell your kids to do the good things, not the bad.